Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the map settings for the Dreame L50 Ultra. If you're interested in the L50, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, we're at our main device screen right here. We're going to select Go to the device for the L50 Ultra. We'll be taken into our main overview here, where we see our current selected map, all of our cleaning options. So let's look at the map settings. We'll start on the right-hand side. Towards the top, 3/4 of the way up, you'll notice a map with an eyeball icon. We're going to select that. This is our map display settings. So we can toggle on or off these icons to have it show or not show on our map. We can rotate our map by 90-degree angles, and we can choose different map styles, 2D or 3D. So that's our map display settings. Right below that icon is a map with a pencil. This is our map editing option. So first up, we have map 2 selected. There's these two arrows on the right-hand side. We can select that, and that allows us to switch between our current maps. Below that, we can rename, backup, restore, or delete our selected map. And then we have 8 other icons that walk us through things like merging, dividing, or hiding a room. So we can do that on our map here. Very helpful graphics to see that in detail. So merge multiple rooms, divide one room into 2, or hide unwanted areas for a concise map. You get the idea. Merge, divide, hide, or rename. Next, we have floor material, so we can select that. Basically, you pick a room, hit floor material, and it walks you through the cleaning settings there. But we can adjust it, floor tile, floor horizontal, floor vertical, or other. So if you need to get that right, you can do that there in your map. Then we have no-go zone and virtual walls. So we can add a virtual wall, a no-go zone, or a no-mop zone. We can hit that info icon to walk us through how to use the no-go zones. But everything is drag and drop. So you can see as it comes online there. And then there's a no-mop in purple. So you got 3 different options, and you can add multiples of each on your map. Next, we have furniture. This is for your own preference. I never do this, but you can add furniture here and build out your map that way. Then we have a cleaning sequence. This is where you can adjust your order for cleaning, which room you always want to go to first, second, third, you get the idea. Just drag and drop them in position. Then virtual threshold ramp. So we can hit that info icon and learn more, but you can basically identify passable and non-passable thresholds. Take a look at the impassable one, just to help the vacuum. And you can add a ramp. So again, great graphics. Very helpful. But passable's green. You get that notification there, so be careful. Impassable's red. And then we could add a ramp. Make sure the angle doesn't exceed 12 degrees. But all of that can be built out on our map. Then we have curtain. This is a cool feature. So basically you can add curtains to the map, and the robot will try to clean under those areas as opposed to thinking it's an obstacle or getting tangled with it and staying away. So you can add curtains. Again, just drag and drop. I love that it's a squiggly line. And then lastly, carpet here. So we can add carpet, round or square, drag and drop, single or fitted. All of that can be added on our map. And then below those icons, we have multi-floor map management. So this is key if you have multiple stories or levels in your house. Under house type, choose single or multi-floor. Then you can adjust how you want it to switch between maps. Do you want to manually pick the map every time or intelligently have it recognize which floor it's on? Here's our current maps, and down at the bottom, you can create a new map. So if you've already mapped and you're not sure how to create a new map, this is where you're going to do it under the multi-floor map management option. Hit create a map, either have it clean while it's mapping or fast map. I always recommend fast map personally. And it takes 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, depending on how big your space is. But then you can add multiple maps there under multi-floor map management. And that's really it in regards to our map settings. I guess there's a couple more things we can look at down at the bottom with our 3 cleaning tabs. We can basically use our map to clean differently. So we could add zones on our map. We can add multiple zones and clean those zones up to 3 times in one pass. We can clean everywhere on our map, or we can pick individual rooms to clean on our map. But that's going to give you a nice overview of the Dreame L50 Ultra and its map settings.